Looking for fun and educational activities to do with your kids? Gardening can be a delightful way to teach them about nature, responsibility, and the joy of growth. It's more than just playing in the dirt. Stay tuned to learn simple, easy-to-follow gardening activities that you can do with your kids. First up, planting seeds. A simple yet profound experience for youngsters. Start by selecting appropriate seeds and soil. The soil should be nutrient-rich, and the seeds, well, that's up to you. Place the seeds in the soil, cover them gently, and water. Don't forget to place the pot in a sunny spot. Caring for your seeds means watering them regularly, but not overdoing it. Remember, patience is key. It will take some time for the seeds to sprout, but the wait is worth it. Next, let's focus on watering plants, an essential part of gardening. Watering isn't just about dumping a bucket of water, it's about providing the right amount. Too much can drown the roots, too little and the plant may wilt. So how do we get it right? By observing. Leaves turning yellow or brown could be signs of overwatering, while wilting or curling might indicate underwatering. Watering plants is a great way to teach kids about responsibility and the needs of living things. Finally, the most rewarding part, harvesting. This is where the magic truly happens, as you witness the fruits of your labor ripe and ready. Harvesting, much like planting, requires a delicate touch. Be gentle and careful not to harm the plant or the produce. Timing is also key. Harvesting too early or too late can impact the quality and taste of your produce. Harvesting is a great way to show kids the results of their hard work and patience. Gardening with kids can be a fun and educational experience. From planting seeds to watering plants and harvesting, each step imparts valuable lessons. Remember, you're nurturing not just plants, but young minds too. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Happy gardening!